Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reacting to NCT 127 and their video Fire Truck. I'm sorry I forgot to introduce this human. This is my sister.
Hi guys, what's up? My name is Andrew.
Yeah, so she's here with me today, so we're both going to be reacting to this video. Alright,
we're ready.
I'm having a, well, not yet, because I'm having a heart attack. Anyways, I know in this comeback, well, not comeback, but a debut for NCT 127, it's gonna be Mark, Jaehyun, Jesus, it's just passing by my brain. Taeyong, Tail, Haechan, and Yuta, and Winwin. I almost forgot Winwin. Okay.
Winwin.
Okay, I almost forgot Winwin. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Getting lifted.
Hey, fire!
Okay, a little bit too turn already, guys.
Who you turn?
Taeyong! Yay! Who's this random girl though? Is that baby? That's Jaehyun? His hair, guys. His hair. She looking like, okay, they're just gonna destroy my castle. Look at Yuta. Oh my god! Is that Haechan? I think it is. Look at Mark! That's Mark! That's Tail! Yes! I mean, it's not like a song you just twerk to. He looks so orange right there.
He really did.
Oh! Is that Mark? Wait, that's Mark going in. That's Mark. Ooh, okay. She looking like, I really don't want to be here. You just sound so good. Yes, Yuta. Yes. Oh, this is too much, y'all. Yes, Tail. They're just like in some random Hollywood studio.
No.
And splashing water.
Exactly. Okay.
She's a win-win staying here.
Love a win, guys.
But where the fire at though, y'all? Like, are the people with the fire? That bridge though. The steady. Yeah, I need some money right now though. Evolution.
Okay, dancing around, guys.
I am so feeling this right now. The beat, everything is great.
Oh my god, yes.
Okay, I love it.
Killed it for the first time, guys. Killed it.
Yes, Mancha. Fire truck. She can like, oh, it's a fire? Okay, she falls asleep.
That's a random boy.
Random child.
Random
Somebody
kid.
get your... Oh, they about to go beat him up, yeah. They about to go... See, this is why you need to keep your children. Keep your children, people. I was playing. But... oh my god.
First video was... There's no words. It was excellent.
Yeah, it was excellent for the new members. Well, the people that haven't debuted yet. For them, it was great. Like, they did an absolutely perfect job. But, you know, Mark, Taeyong, and Jaehyun already had that. But, you know, they already know what to do. So, it's like, okay, we just send another video. Anyways, they killed. Come on.
They killed.
The dancing.
Like, even Winwin, even though he don't know that much Korean,
Woomin did that. He
Woomin
won.
dominated. He still did a good job.
But they all did great.
Yeah, all of them.
Snakes. Yeah, this was really good. The person who directed the dance, I don't know him, but you did good.
Yeah.
But what else? The beat was really good.
It was dope.
Like, I just wanted to pop. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. It seemed to go by so fast. It's like when you're watching the MV, you're just like, oh, it's done? It's done? Oh yeah, it's done. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed our reaction. And I'll be making more videos soon. So thanks, and bye!